Navigating the complex world of financial markets often feels like trying to predict the weather, seemingly random, yet influenced by intricate, underlying patterns. For quantitative analysts, or quants, the challenge is not just to understand these patterns but to find them, often hidden deep within vast datasets. Today, we're diving into a powerful tool they use to uncover these hidden connections: wavelet coherence. Imagine you're listening to two pieces of music. Sometimes they might sound similar in rhythm, other times in melody, and sometimes the similarity might only appear for a brief moment before fading. Wavelet coherence helps us do something similar with market data, identifying not just if two market movements are related, but when and at what scale they are related. Traditional methods like correlation analysis often look at relationships over long periods, assuming a steady connection. However, markets are dynamic. A strong correlation today might be non-existent tomorrow, or a weak correlation might suddenly become significant during specific events. This is where the wavelet part comes in. Unlike simple correlations that use a single, fixed window of time, wavelets break down data into different frequency components, much like a prism breaks light into its constituent colors. This allows us to see how relationships evolve across different time scales, from short-term fluctuations to long-term trends. The mathematical foundation involves something called the Continuous Wavelet Transform, or CWT. For a time series xt, its CWT, denoted as w to the power of x, s tau, essentially measures the similarity between xt and a mother wavelet translated to time tau and scaled by s. A smaller scale s focuses on high frequencies, short-term movements, while a larger scale s looks at low frequencies, long-term trends. Wavelet coherence builds on this by comparing the CWT of two time series, say xt and yt. It calculates a measure of their co-spectrum at each scale and time. Think of this as finding the overlapping colors or notes between our two market signals. The core concept is to measure the linear correlation between the wavelet transform of two time series within localized regions of time and scale. The formula for the squared wavelet coherence between two series x and y at scale s and time tau is often represented as r squared s tau equals s tau s x y squared over s tau s x x s tau s y y, where s denotes a smoothing operator in time and scale. This value ranges from 0 to 1, with 1 indicating perfect coherence. So, how do quants use this? They can apply wavelet coherence to pairs of assets, like stocks and bonds, or commodities and currencies, to find periods where their movements are unusually synchronized. For instance, they might discover that during periods of high inflation, a long-term trend, the price of gold and certain energy stocks become highly coherent. This is incredibly valuable for risk management. If two assets that are usually independent suddenly start moving in lockstep, it could signal an underlying risk factor that hasn't been accounted for. A quant can then adjust portfolio allocations to mitigate this newly identified risk. Furthermore, wavelet coherence is instrumental in identifying lead-lag relationships. By examining the phase difference between the coherent components of two time series, analysts can determine which market is influencing the other, and by how much. This is crucial for developing predictive trading strategies. Imagine you're analyzing the relationship between oil prices and airline stocks. Using wavelet coherence, a quant might find that oil prices lead airline stock prices at short to medium time scales during periods of supply chain disruptions, but airline stocks might lead oil prices during periods of strong consumer demand. In essence, wavelet coherence provides a dynamic, multi-resolution lens through which quants can dissect market relationships. It moves beyond static correlations to reveal the intricate, time-varying tapestry of connections that truly drive financial markets, offering deeper insights for both understanding and navigating the financial world.